Honorable Chief Minister Sri Chandrababu Naidu Garu for gracing the occasion as the chief guest for listing of the Amaravati municipal bonds. Sir, we are deeply honored to have you here. Sir, under your leadership, the state of Andhra Pradesh has consistently ranked #1 the last 3 years on the Ease of Doing Business Index among states and emerged as a leader in manufacturing and information technology. We have also received feedback from investors that your state has been consistently assuring investors about predictability in politics. Sir, I believe that the state capital of Amaravati, when fully constructed, is expected to be the most technology-compatible city in India, which is at one with the nature. The people of Andhra Pradesh and the people of India are looking forward to that. I congratulate the state government under the leadership of Chief Minister Sri Chandrababu Naidu for both planning and executing the ambitious projects. The state has lived up to its well-deserved reputation for not only being an innovator in technology adoption, but also in raising funds for building the capital city. Sir, BSE is proud to contribute, albeit in a small way, in your endeavor to build a world-class capital city which reflects our traditions rooted in our ancient culture and at the same time showcases our world-class aspirations. India's urban infrastructure is reeling under the immense pressure of the growth that the country is witnessing. While agencies have estimated varying amount of money required in infrastructure build-out, one aspect is common, funding of a large magnitude. According to a recently released economic survey for 2018, India will face a US $526 billion infrastructure investment gap by 2040, which works out to roughly US $25 billion per year till 2040. The survey says the collapse of public-private partnership, stressed balance sheets of private firms, and problems with clearances are main reasons behind infrastructure investment shortfalls. A robust municipal bond market is the answer to bridging this shortfall and thus building urban India in a smart way. Municipal bonds are the ideal instruments for raising resources into infrastructure development. Historical data with BSE shows that during the decades of 1960s and 1970s, utilities with Pune and Mumbai municipal corporations issued bonds spread over various tenures from 5 to 10 years. Even though it was dormant, some 25 urban bodies have raised money since the first municipal bond issue by Ahmedabad in 1998. The new municipal bond regulations released by the Securities and Exchange Board of India in 2016, which deals with many of the problems related to municipal bonds, has brought a fresh lease of life. In 2017, Pune added a new chapter in the country's urban transformation saga based on Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi's vision of financially empowering urban local bodies. BSE firmly believes that Indian bond market is poised for a substantial growth, and India can use its domestic savings to fund its infrastructure needs in a substantial manner. I'm also delighted to inform you that under the leadership of SEBI, many such new investments are listed within a short span of time, giving investors a wide choice of asset classes. Sir, as you are aware, the Amaravati bonds 2018 for raising 2,000 crores issued by Andhra Pradesh Capital Region Development Authority, CRDA, was subscribed 1.5 times on the electronic bidding platform of BSE called BSE Bonds in less than 1 hour, sir. On August 14, one day before our Independence Day, and now we are gathered here one day after Raksha Bandhan, Nareli Purnima, which is a very auspicious day for the entire India. This response shows the faith the investors have reposed in not only Andhra Pradesh government and also the Chief Minister, but also the state-of-the-art, robust and efficient infrastructure offered by Andhra Pradesh government. BSE also provides an efficient and transparent market for trading in a bouquet of products like equity, debt, currencies, interest rate derivatives, mutual funds, stock lending, borrowing, and many more. Today, BSE has over 5,000 listed companies on its platforms, making it the largest of any exchange in the world. BSE has played a prominent role in developing the Indian capital markets. It's Asia's first and on the fastest stock exchange in the world with a speed of 6 microseconds. BSE has kept pace with the latest in technology. BSE puts forward a strong, robust platform for investors to trade in a highly secure and reliable environment that offers enhanced liquidity, diversity of participants, innovative technology, and trustworthy clearing services. We are making a history in this hall today where the brokers used to trade with hand signals, and today, after BSE became completely automated, it has been converted into a international convention hall. So, sir, thank you for coming here. BSE is emerging as the preferred investment destination with the exchange facilitating investments in priority sectors such as mutual funds, SMEs, and also the small little companies specified in incubators. To encourage the SMEs from Andhra Pradesh through the medium of SME listings, we recommend that the state, as a way of encouragement, sir, can contribute up to 1 crore rupees or 15% of the issue size, whichever is lower, so that the companies from Andhra Pradesh, SME companies from Andhra Pradesh, start listing on stock exchanges, so that, and the money which you raise or which you have paid of up to 1 crore can actually later on be sold in the same market like BSE, and that money can be recirculated to fund other companies. So you don't have to give subsidies. Instead, you invest in the equity of the company when the company comes out with an IPO, so you know that you have an exit route. Otherwise, the subsidies never come back, and you don't know what happens to subsidies here. Whatever money you are putting in is actually available to you, their value, transparently. And after 1 or 2 years, you can actually sell the stake which you have taken in the company. Till now, BSE has listed 260 companies, SME, and we have raised more than 2,500 crore rupees for SMEs, but those companies now are valued at close to 25,000 crore rupees. So BSE is helping SMEs to grow, raise funds for them, but also help industrialize the country. The BSE would like to make a formal proposal to your good self, sir, today while we meet later on. As and when required, we'll come and sign an MOU in Amaravati. BSE has also been a leader in listing of municipal bonds, sovereign gold bonds, and green bonds. India INX, a subsidiary of BSE, based in International Finance Center of GIFT City, Gujarat, raised 600 million bonds, issue of Yes Bank, but we have listed more than $22 billion of various midterm notes and masala bonds through the GIFT City Gandhinagar from foreign investors. BSE is taking a lead in bringing international standards in India in technology, compliance, corporate governance, promoting of SMEs, leveraging the exchange platform for mutual funds, insurance, creation of trading of substantial and other indices, including the oldest and most popular index, the S&P BSE Sensex. This will help India to compete with global destinations, making India as one of the foremost financial services market in the world. I promise BSE will continue to provide support to Andhra Pradesh government for all its endeavors. Thank you very much, sir, for coming here today morning.